Yes, thank you. No point putting the window this week, we don't sell them. Well, that's it, yeah. Sorry to be. That's your copy. That's gone through.
And then we'll work out
Put
it on the till.
If you just tell us in 2 weeks' time and walk by, now it's happened.
You know, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know when?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
That's his daughter.
Yeah. No, it's good. Oh, yeah, he's a lovely guy. Yeah.
Thanks for your help.
Well, thanks for letting me know. And,
yeah, that's fine. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.